Hello everyone, I'm Brian Hetrick, and today I'd like to show you how to make one of my favorite green juices. And for my juicer today, I'm using the Cuvings. You know, I have about 5 different types of juicers. Each one has its own pros and cons, and the industry comes out with a new series of juicers about every 5 years or so. I like to say the best juicer in the world is the one you already own. So this recipe is available in my book, Natural Vibrant Health, Raw Foods, under the Juices section. And this can be found at spirulinaguru.com, spirulinaguru.com. So to start with, I'm going to use some fresh organic celery that's been washed. And I'm going to add about 3 cups of chopped celery to my juicer. So 3 cups of chopped celery is about half of a bunch of celery. Next, I'm going to add an entire organic cucumber. And I'm just going to slice this one in half and then quarter it. And next I'm going to add just about a thumbnail size piece of fresh ginger. So fresh ginger is very good for digestion. It's good for inflammation. It adds a little bit of a flavor to your green juice. And then I'm going to add about a half of a lemon, organic. So I just quarter my lemon. I cut the ends off, and then I pop this in. Might have to help things down a little bit. And then I'm going to add an apple. This one happens to be organic, Cosmic Crisp. So I just quarter my apple and then I cut it in eighths, and I'm just picking out the seeds a little bit. And then I'm going to add some fresh green collards, organic. So leafy greens are where it's at. This is where the chlorophyll is. This actually helps to build your blood. I like to rotate my greens when I'm making my green juice. So one day I'll do collards, the next day I might do kale, and then I might do Swiss chard, or I might do spinach, or I might even do romaine. And then this will yield about 3 cups of green juice, this particular recipe. Well, that's about 3.5 cups. And for an extra kick, I'm going to add some frozen spirulina. So this is frozen spirulina sticks. Spirulina is the world's most powerful superfood. NASA has been studying spirulina for years for space travel. They've been growing it on the space station. According to NASA, 1 pound of spirulina has the nutritional equivalent of 1,000 pounds of vegetables. That's how nutrient dense it is. And that's why it's called a superfood. So you can see it's turning my green juice a really, really dark green. That's because of all the chlorophyll that's in spirulina. It's also an excellent source of protein, and it's an excellent source of beta carotene. Spirulina has every single nutraceutical known to humans that humans require, except for B12 and vitamin D, which are really not foodborne nutrients. So this frozen spirulina sticks can be found at spirulinaguru.com. They come in these 1.4 ounce serving packets, and they offer the convenience of single servings, and they also offer the convenience of storability. So because they're frozen, they will stay in the freezer for a really, really long time. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.